Hello and welcome. This is Ras from civil-technology-for-you.com, and today in this session we will learn about two commands. One is extrude face and another is taper face. So let's see how to do this. First I will just draw here a box. Okay, I will just click to activate this one and I will just draw here a box. Okay, now let's suppose I just want to extrude this face of this box. So in this case I will use this command extrude face. Okay, so extrude face command is in solid editing panel. Okay, you can see this is a panel and here this is the icon for extrude face. I will click on this drop down arrow and here first command is extrude faces. Okay, I will click this to activate this one, and right now I want to extrude this face. Okay, so what I will do here, you can see at the bottom it is asking about select faces. Okay, so I will select this face. Now I will just hit enter. Now you can see here at bottom it is asking about specify height of extrusion. So I have to just specify the height of extrusion as well here. Let's suppose I will just give here 500 mm of height. Okay, I will hit enter. Now next again it is asking about specify angle of taper. Okay, and if you want to just make a taper, you can just give here a angle, and here now I do not want to just give any taper angle, so I will just enter a value of 0 and I will hit enter. Now you can see it is going to extrude in this direction. Now I will just press escape key to come out of command. Okay, now again if you want to just give taper angle as well on any face, you can give that one as well. I will just go here to activate this one again. Okay, now I just want to extrude this face. I will click here and I will hit enter. Now it is asking about what will be the extrusion height, so I will just give, for example, 100 mm. Okay, and I will hit enter. Now it is asking about taper angle, so I will just give here 25-degree angle and I will hit enter. Now you can see here it is going to extrude, and the taper angle you can see here. Now I will just press escape key to come out of command. Now let's see another method for extrusion. Okay, I will just activate this line command. Okay, and I will just give first point and second point as this point, and I will hit enter. Now again I just want to activate this one. I will just click to activate this one. Now again it is asking about select a face, so I will select this face and I will hit enter. Now I will right click and here you can see one option, that is path. You can just extrude on path as well, so I will just click on path and I will give this path. Okay, I will click this one and now you can see this is extrude along this path, and I will just press escape key to come out of command. I will go here in visual style and I will check realistic. Now you can see here it is going to extrude. Okay, now let me just rotate this one. You can see this is a shape we get here. Okay, so this was the method to do extrude faces. Okay, now let's see another method. I will just go here to activate box again. I will just click to change the realistic view first and I will go here and I will activate this box command here. Okay, now let me just activate this one. Again I will go here and I will click on this drop down arrow, and the next option here is taper faces. Now I will click here to activate this one and I will select that I want taper. Okay, I will select this face and I will hit enter. Now here at bottom it is asking about specify the base point. The base point is a point that will not change. Okay, so I will give this point as a base point. Now it is asking about specify another point along the axis of tapering. Okay, now I have to just select a second point as taper will be apply. Okay, so I will select this point as second point. Now it is asking about what will be the taper angle, so I will just give 45-degree of taper angle and I will hit enter. Now you can see here it is going to change into 45-degree angle. Okay, I will just hit escape key to come out of command. Now again I will just undo this one. Okay, now I will just again select this command. I will just click this face. I will hit enter. Now it is asking about base point. Right now I want to just give this point as a base point. Now let's see what will happen, and this point as the second point, and I will hit enter. Now I will just give 25-degree of angle, for example. I will hit enter. Now you can see the direction is going to change. So this was the taper angle method. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.